Blackout Bingo can show a region-locked message when the game or its cache features aren't available in your current location, so changing a few settings may not remove the restriction. By the end, you'll know which location, account, and app checks are worth trying, and when the region lock is an actual availability restriction. First, check your device location settings. On iPhone, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Location Services, and make sure Location Services is enabled. Find Blackout Bingo in the app list, and allow the location permission it requests. On Android, open Settings, choose Location, then App Permissions, and check Blackout Bingo. After changing the permission, completely close Blackout Bingo and open it again. If the app was already running when the location setting changed, it may not recognize the new permission until it starts a fresh session. Next, check whether you're using a VPN, proxy, or location changing service. These can make your connection appear to come from a different region. Turn the VPN or proxy off, reconnect to your normal network, and then reopen Blackout Bingo. If you're traveling, the restriction can also be tied to your physical location rather than your phone's language, currency, or account settings. Changing the region in your phone settings does not necessarily change your actual location. There's another check worth making: if the problem started after reinstalling the app. Open the App Store or Google Play and confirm that you installed the official Blackout Bingo app available for your region. If the store doesn't offer the same version or features, that can explain why the app behaves differently after reinstalling. If Blackout Bingo still says your region is locked after location permissions are correct, the issue may not be something you can fix from the phone. Availability can depend on where the service is offered and which features are permitted in that location. Don't create a second account just to bypass the restriction. That can create additional account problems instead of fixing the original location issue. So the practical order is simple. Verify location services, check Blackout Bingo's location permission, disable any VPN or proxy, restart the app, and confirm the App Store version available in your region. If the message remains after those checks, contact Blackout Bingo support and provide the exact region lock message rather than repeatedly reinstalling the app. The key points are that a region lock can be location-based, VPNs can interfere with location checks, and changing your phone's region isn't the same as changing your physical location. Try the location and network checks first, then contact support if the restriction remains. If this fixed your Blackout Bingo problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting fixes.